Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, we have a two-part question, and the first part of that question is how to prevent listing owners from uploading logos. Okay, all you need to do here is simply not add the logo field. So I've got a listing type pulled up here on my screen. It's a brand new listing type, nothing is configured. Simply just do not add this field. Okay, don't add that field. All right, so that's part one. Part two of the question is, how do I set a default logo across all of the listings that are uploaded to my listing website? Okay, quick answer here is set a default logo over here on the right-hand side where it says listing type, default logo. This image will be used when listing logo isn't present. And because we're not allowing a listing logo to be present, then this will take hold. Simply click this add image button, add your image, save your changes to your listing type, and you're good to go.